Hello class, welcome back to X1 Lecture 101. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about Lewis dot structure or Lewis electron dot structure. So it is the continuation of our discussion last meeting about valence electrons. So valence electrons are the electrons in the outermost shell of an atom. So let's start. So when we say Lewis dot structure or Lewis structure, it was named after Gilbert and Lewis, and then it is the representation of valence electrons in the atom or the element, and then it uses dots around the symbol of the element, and then the number of the dots equals to the number of valence electron in the atom. So let's start our discussion. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have element symbol here, and then their valence electron. So always remember that the valence electron is equal to the group number of an element, but there is exemptions to the rule. Not all valence electron are equal to the group number, because the valence electron of the early transition metal and the late transition metals are varies. It means that their valence electrons are not equal to the group number. Like for example, here in our sample, cobalt. So cobalt, it is belong to the group number 9, but the valence electron is 2. Always remember that. Not all valence electrons are equal to the group number. There is exemptions to the rules. Always remember that early transition metal and late transition metals varies in their valence electron. Did you get it? So let's start with number 1. So we have lithium. So the valence electron of lithium is 1. So just like what I mentioned earlier, Lewis dot structure, it uses dots that represents the number of valence electron. It means that if your valence electron is 1, so therefore you are going to write 1 dot in a symbol of the element. Like for example, number 1, lithium. So we have lithium. So how many valence do we have in lithium? So 1. So therefore we are going to write 1 dot here. So it doesn't matter where you write the 1 dot, but it doesn't matter where you write the 1 dot. So it depends upon you where you are going to write the 1 dot. It can be here, it can be here, it can be here. Okay, number 2, we have calcium. So how many valence electron do we have in calcium? So we have 2. So we can write 2 dots. Or you can write the 2 dots in the upper and lower, or in the top or bottom. So it depends upon you. Okay, number 3, we have aluminum. So we have 3 valence electrons. So therefore we are going to write 3 dots in around the symbol of aluminum. So 1, 2, 3. Or you can write 1, 2, 3. Okay, another one, we have sulfur. So the valence electron of sulfur is 6. So therefore, we have to disseminate the 6 valence electrons around the symbol of sulfur. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is very easy to write the Lewis structure of an atom, because always remember that what is your valence electron, that is the number of your Lewis dot structure. Okay, number 5, we have chlorine, and then the valence electron of chlorine is 7. So therefore, we are going to draw 7 dots. So we have 1.
Go.
Again, we have 7 valence electron of chlorine. So therefore, we have also 7 dots that around the symbol of the chlorine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or you just write 1 here and then the 2 you can reverse the process. So another one we have cobalt. So the valence electron for cobalt is 2. So therefore we are going to draw cobalt, write the chemical symbol of cobalt and then draw 2 dots. You can draw dots in a top or bottom. So it depends upon you. Okay, last one we have argon. So argon, it has 8 valence electron because it is belong to the noble gases group, or they have stable number of valence electron. They have 8 valence electrons. So it is inert element or inactive element. So we have argon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're done with our 7 examples. So always remember that when you write the lowest dot structure, it is always equal to the valence electron in the atom. Always remember that. And then when you are drawing, or when you are write lowest dot structure, make sure that you are going to disseminate or distribute the dots around the symbol of the elements. So if you have any questions, suggestions, you may comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe or hit the subscribe button below and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my next videos. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something a lot about our discussion.